talked about it, but I hear the blame was mine. And I called you up to say I'm sorry, but I wouldn't wanna waste your time. 'Cause I love you, but I can't take anymore. There's a look I can't describe in your eyes. If we throw me a lifeline. I'll keep a place for you somewhere deep inside. So hold on my heart. Please tell her to be patient, 'cause there has never been a time that I wanted some